Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Today I'll tell you how to use TAT if you have abandonment issues. This happens for a lot of people in different situations. Sometimes a parent or parents die. Sometimes they can't afford to bring you up, so they have to give you away to grandparents or someone else to raise. Sometimes their parents can be so drunk or addicted to drugs that they just can't take care of you, and you are left. You're left to your own. So whatever it is that happened, what you can do with TAT is you can take all of what happened and just put it into one big pot. That means that's what you just take all of it and decide, this is what I'm going to work on now. And then you go through all the steps. There might be things that happen that you only heard about, you don't even remember them. So if you know that was a big deal, like one parent stole you from another parent for a while, you can put that in the pot, and work on that, even though you don't remember it. Your body, your being knows all about it. So you just go through the steps without even knowing about it consciously yourself. Another thing you can do is just look over your past and also currently what's happened when you've been grown up. And you can think about, oh, when this happened with my mom, or when this happened with my best friend, whatever it is, or my girlfriend, my boyfriend, whoever. And you can take a single incident and work on that, and know that part of the TAT process is that we include all the origins of this manifestation of what happened to you as an adult. All the origins of this are healing now. And if it feels like, oh my God, I just have so much going on about this, I don't even know where to start, you can just put in the pot the biggest thing that happened to me about being abandoned. And if you happen to notice something like your chest tightens up, or you feel heavy at your shoulders, or your guts tighten up, or you start just getting a headache, or something physical is going on, you can add that into the pot, as well as the feelings that you have, like sadness, disappointment, anger, frustration, whatever's happening for you, you can just throw that all into the pot. Just remember to keep your time in the TAT pose to only 20 minutes a day. And take heart knowing that as you do one thing after another, it's possible for you to totally clear this whole pattern and all your history about it, clear it all up, and for you to end up in a state of peace and not being in fear, and the ability to just connect with people without having those fears or worries about abandonment. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.